Hi, this is the video number 3 about building so-called fake deck for the sail ship models. It's not a fake, it's just a way to do the deck. Today, as I promised last time, we are going to build a deck from the segments what we are using actually same for the planking the ship, one by one. With a black board, I cut it into strips, and I will show that as follow. First, I put a board, and in the board we have to put some strip to stop all construction to slide out of the board and to give us some problems. This is the way how to help yourself and to make the project in easy way. This will hold, as you see, this will hold these strips, and the black board, actually cardboard, will go in between, and the other one will actually press that board to the first segment, small strip, like this. We will glue that together and try to hold it firm until that dries. This project is asking for a little bit more nerves, time. There is no rush, as I said many times. This means the first plank we go with the glue, white glue always, nicely to cover the edge with the glue, what will actually help you later to have a firm, solid board you can cut without splitting or giving you any hard time whatsoever. Right? This is a first board. We will put it close to the other one. If you will ask if this actually strips will actually glue for the base, I help myself with the tape, taping the base when the glue actually dries, does not stick on this tape. Now, going carefully on the edge of this strip, like this, and then the next strip should be glued properly. No rush, should go as much as we need time. That means if you want result, you have to make preparation and to go step by step. If not, you will be forced to repeat the process, and this is for no reason. It's better to do that first in the right way. Good. We have now the second strip coming close, as you see, to the blackboard. See? What is more actually out of the thickness we will take later when dries out with the sanding process. Right, this is one to hold it down. We go this way. With the big head pins holding for the base, and actually one by one will give us a solid board looking pretty much like it was color wise. Next strip is coming with a white glue again. Not too much glue, but not actually less than we need. If it's just looking a little bit too much, we will take that off by the sanding later. Right, this is now next segment, and we will pin that down like this. And obviously you think this is a real difficult process, but what actually is easy and what is difficult as a question is a pleasure. That's a real pleasure to do this kind of operation. That's my opinion. Right? Good. All right. Good. We take another black tiny strip, putting that on the glue we have already. Good, 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 good. As you can see, you have to fight against yourself. This will be a different looking deck, but when we will do next video, I will show you the final look of that, and you will see will be really nice looking, and many people will ask actually what kind of job that was. All right, as you see, little by little, and we are progressing. Good. We take some more big head pins. Good. Good, good. Right. You know, the people doing the models, miniatures or whatever, they are always a little bit special people. As you see, they talk with themselves all the time. They talk with their own problem. Another strip. Good. Right like this. Good. Good. You see that is progressing. We have another strip to put, actually the plank. I hope that you already understand where we are going. Obviously, this can be built in a bigger scale as much as you want, or smaller as much as you need. Not all projects have a long, big deck. You know, depend of the actually the scale of the model you are building. This one is a pretty much something what we will find in reality. Instead of this black board, there is a black resin, what actually was produced by the wood distillation, mostly in Britain Islands, from the hardwood, and was sticky and bad looking, but was nicely isolated wood from erosion on the sea. Long time the salt coming over, you know. Well, now we have another strip to add to that. Good. As you see, it's going in very simple way. Okay. That's good. Good enough. This will be the last one for today. Now I will try to put them tight, to glue them together in one solid piece of board. You will see when we will finish that with the sanding and everything, this will be unusually nice looking decking material. This what I'm doing now is my invention. Probably some other people have that too, but it was after some thinking and actually making comparisons. I'm using that sometime in the project. Next project will be with a Sitka pine, what is the best material for the piano soundboard.